Hi guys, how's everybody doing? I hope everyone's well and enjoying some time at home. I got a chance today to clean out my garage for the first time in a long time, and I found this walker that I haven't seen in a really long time. I completely forgot about it actually. It's a great walker, and I thought maybe somebody out there might need it. So I was going to list it on LittleWins today, and I realized maybe you're cleaning out your garages too, and you might find a gem like this hidden in there somewhere. So I wiped it down with some disinfectant wipes, and got my gloves. And I actually had a box that's a perfect size for it, and some stuffing. So I'm just gonna put this puppy on LittleWins, and I hope that it finds a new home with someone who really needs it. So clean out your garages, people. You never know what you might find. Take care and be well. Thanks.